Hi guys, today we're back out with the scooter and we have the Insta 360 X3 and the Ace Pro and the DJI mic too. Insta 360 has just put out a huge update for their Insta 360 Studio. It's called Insta 360 Studio 5. And in this new Studio 5 that we downloaded from the Insta 360 site, this new studio, you can now do all your editing in the studio. You can add music, you can add text, you can add transitions. It is super good. Anyways, we haven't done any editing yet, so today we figured we'd take the cameras out, and we're kind of hoping that we can add the Ace Pro and the X3 all in one video. We played around a little bit, and it's pretty cool. Anyways, around here in the video, I'm going to add some music. I think we'll add the Ace Pro right here at this side. Okay, let's add some music right here. Now we also brought this. Yeah, this is pretty exciting there, you know. I've been waiting about 4 years for Insta 360 to update their studio. They're always putting updates in there, but you could never add music, you could never add text. And now you can do all that. You can do all your editing of your 360 cameras, and including the Ace Pro in the in this new studio. I mean, I have taken Ace Pro into the old studio, and you can do your basic edit, but you can't really you know, do any keyframing or anything like that. So really it's not worth even taking it into the studio. A lot of times, you know, with the Ace Pro, it has the files, you know, proprietary files that you would only be able to open with the Insta 360 Studio. But one thing with the Ace Pro is that it also films MP4, so you can take that into any editing program that you have. enough footage there to take into the new Insta 360 Studio 5. We're going to add some music, we're going to add some text. So thanks for watching, we'll catch you in the next one.